Okay, now we're getting into verbal behavior. Verbal behavior is important to understand so we know how our client is communicating, because if you say water, you can be tacting water, labeling it. You could be requesting it, manding it. You could be answering a question. Hey, what do you want to drink? Water. It's all different forms of that verbal behavior of how we are communicating. So it is important, because if you are trying to identify a target, relating to communication, you have to specify how or why or when. Do we want to learn first how to label things? Do we want to learn how to mand for things? Do we want to learn how to have a conversation, being able to answer these questions? This is why it's important to understand. So get deep into that, and also understand that there is categories like duplicate and codic. When I think about a duplicate, I think about duplicating that. So like think about like your teacher writing a sentence on the board, and you write the exact same sentence on your paper. You're going to duplicate it. It has a formal similarity. Formal, the way it looks. Remember, we're going to a quinceañera, we're going to a wedding. Formal, you dress formal. It's the way you look. So it looks the same, formal similarity. But with a codic, I like to think about like we're going to code something. So like back in the day in MySpace times, I used to be like, I want a butterfly background. And then there you are coding this stuff. And guess what? That coding, it doesn't look the same, right? It has all these crazy numbers and letters. And then pop, it pops up that butterfly background that I wanted. So it's showing you that those crazy letters and numbers and thing, that coding is the same resemblance. It means the same thing as the actual beautiful butterfly background on your MySpace. It's the same, it just looks different. Another example for codics is restroom. When we read it, it says restroom, but we can also have it in Braille. And it says the same thing, restroom, restroom. It just doesn't have that formal similarity. It doesn't look the same.